Hello, I'm Decimal. Today I'm going to teach you how to update your FM-1 by M-VAVE. First, you're going to want to connect it to your computer. Then you're going to want to go to the download page here. It has a whole bunch of downloads, but you're specifically going to want to download M-Upgrade. There are two options for the updater. You can choose either Mac or PC. The software looks like this, but we're still going to need the actual firmware files. So we could find that on a different page on the website, which is here under the PC firmware tab. Now, once you download the file, you'll get this file type. It's actually a little different than an average file type, but you know it's the correct one when you see the .fwfc. So now when you go to the M upgrade, you got to find the file. So I like to make a little folder for it, and I just did that. So you click the file, and then all you have to do is press update firmware. So the thing is, I tried this the first time and it didn't work, so you might have to swap out a cable like I did. So once I changed the cable, it ended up working out. So make sure that you have the right cable. I changed it from a USB-C to USB-C, so I don't know, and use a different port. So if it doesn't work the first time, maybe change to a different cable and see if that makes any difference. I can confirm that the update worked after unplugging and replugging in the FM-1, and it says version 9, which tells me that the device has successfully been updated. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Peace.